Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use TikTok. If you're using any iPhone or any Android and you want to use your TikTok, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to open your App Store or Play Store, simply search for TikTok, and you have to try to install your TikTok app. Once app installed, just tap on this open option and your app will be opened. So after opening your app, you must have to log in with your account. If you want to like or follow anyone on your TikTok, so very first you have to try to log in with your account, or you have to create a new account. So just tap on this profile option in the bottom right corner, and here tap on the login option, and then just have on continue with Google or which way you want to log in here. You can use your phone number, your email address, your Facebook account, your Apple account also to log in or create a new account here. Just tap on the profile option here. Once you have login, now you can easily like anyone or follow anyone if you want. Just tap on this plus option and the person will be followed. Or if you want to create your own video, just tap on this plus option here, and then you can easily use this camera to create a new video, or you can post anything from your gallery or from your album here. You can use different effects on your video to, or you can easily edit your video from here. If you want to download any video, just tap on the share option and then tap on this download option, and a video will be downloaded. Or if you want to share anyone's profile or open anyone's profile, just swipe it to the left and the person's profile will be opened. So in this way, you can basically choose your TikTok app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.